Brad Williams, XL Prime, find lowest cost supplier and assist and tiebreaker. Okay, we're going to find the lowest cost supplier. We're going to include an assist, and then with that assist, find and incorporate a tiebreaker. Because we're trying to settle a tie. We can't have duplicate. We can't have duplicates if we're trying to find the lowest cost supplier. We have to define it specifically. Here we just have a supplier. We have a bid for whatever, it doesn't matter. And then we have this assist. Because with the assist and a tiebreaker, we can differentiate, for example, Kroger here. Kroger and Safeway have the same bid. What do you flip a coin? You can, but this is a quasi flip a coin. Probably not the best approach. Here's the assist. All we're going to do is put C5, and then we're going to throw the count if. Well, we should start off with count if. If there are two examples, two of the matching bids, C5, to remedy the ties, we're just going to go count if C5, C5, C5 minus 1. What happens? We're going to get a 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. When we see that, we're going to multiply times 0.01. You can break this down. I've shown in other tutorials how to break this down so you can get a visual on how COUNTIF is doing its thing. Notice it's an expanding range. You have a absolute value, then you have a relative value, and then the ultimate outcome is C10, and then we're going to go minus 1. We just attach this COUNTIF to our bids. We're going to see in the end, we're going to add a penny. We're going to add a penny to this. You can add a smaller number if a penny is going to rock the boat. In the end, we have a tiebreaker. If we have a match here, we're looking at Kroger and Safeway. Let's say Walmart has the lowest price than Amazon, and then it's Kroger or Safeway. Well, Kroger will be the third. That's it. And in terms of implementing this, we're just going to use small. We're going to use small, and we're just going to look at D5, which is our assist, G5, which gives us our ranking. We want number 1, we want number 2, and number 3. And in terms of finding the supplier, just simple index match. I don't need to go over this. Over here, read it if you need it. The tiebreaker thing you may be scratching your head. Break it down. Over here, the anatomy is just straightforward. This is including different combinations. Think of it as a puzzle, and you're going to put some pieces together. And if you put the pieces together correctly, you're going to get the right output. Otherwise, keep working at it. Keep working at it. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks for watching.